Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Forgive the voice. The last 2 days, couple days I've been out in the yard and out and about, and allergies are kicking my rear end, but I'm okay. I have a swap meet shout out to share with you. Also got a couple things in the mail that I think are really cool I want to show you. And we stopped by the hobby shop today, so let me show you what we got.
Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.com.
First up, guys, got a shout out for a swap meet coming up. This is on Saturday, April the 18th in Shelby, North Carolina. If you're in the Southeast, this is the second annual. This is hosted by Wall to Wall Hobbies. Jeff and Aaron are doing a really good job with this. I really enjoyed it last year. Had some great food and refreshments in addition to a lot of great shopping. There's your location. And again, that's April the 18th. And here's your information for the doors opening, admission, all that stuff. And if you want to see if there's anything open, excuse me, for being a vendor, there's your information down there to get a hold of Jeff or Aaron, or you can just go to wall-to-wallhobbies.com, or excuse me, wall-to-wallhobbies@gmail, and see if anything's available. But again, this was a really good one last year, and I look forward to this one this year. Also, this weekend, the 14th, there is a IPMS show in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Went to that last year, and we had planned on going to it this year. However, we've had something arise this weekend, and I'm not going to be able to make that trip. But if you're in the Myrtle Beach area, or you just want to get away, hey, go down and check it out. It's a great show. You can go to IPMSUSA.com, put in Region 12 or the Myrtle Beach show, and it'll pull up a flyer for you. First thing I got in the mail early in the week was, or Monday, was the Salvino Kit of the Month, and that is the Bobby Allison 85 Buick Regal. Just a cool paint job on these things too. And our freebies, as far as the, if you're a member of the Builders Club, you get your monthly sticker as well as extra decals. And this month you got the Chase Elliott number 9 Kelly Blue Book and a couple of sheets, if I can get this off of here, for the number 48 Ally car. So cool stuff. So we got that this week. That goes in the stash and the decal box. Let me jump over here to the haul from the hobby shop today. Anytime I'm there, I stock up, usually on the fine surface primer, back in stock. Another can of semi-gloss black. Well, you know, with the Camaro, the USAC Camaro, I've used a lot of that. And then I get the brush paints, and the X18, X1, the semi-gloss, and the gloss black there. So I need getting a little low on those. Also picked up another set of the Gopher Racing harnesses. I'll go into depth in these. And by the way, there's always 2 sets of seat belts in these packs, and I'll show you a little more about this in the next video on the Camaro update. And hey, the reveal on that's this weekend. Also at the hobby shop, I picked up this little pup. On the 22nd, we have a 3-hour group build coming up, and I'm looking forward to that. And I thought this would be perfect for the 3-hour group build. I've seen this advertised, and as soon as I saw it at the hobby shop, I said, that's the one I got to do. Got a lot of features there. You got the drag chute, some serious velocity stacks. According to the back here, this is an all-chrome chassis, I believe. The vinyl tires, all that kind of stuff. So kind of cool, but you've got various paint schemes, apparently. You've got this and this, but I thought for the 3-hour group build, this would be a fun little project to do. I've never done a model in 3 hours to my knowledge, so we're going to see if I make it, number one. The other thing I got in the mail this week was something from Wall to Wall Hobbies, our buddy Jeff. And that is, I may have to back off here a little bit, the Devco 206 milk truck. And guys, this is so cool. By the way, if you're wondering what Devco means, that is the Detroit Industrial Vehicle Company. And they specialized in vehicles that made a lot of start-stops, like a milk truck. I'm giving away my age here a little bit, but I remember when the milk truck delivered milk to our house in bottles, and of course we're not going to do a milk truck out of it, but they were kind of cool. And as you see here, some cool paint schemes for some of these things. Some really cool stuff, but I want you to see this thing here. I really look forward to this. Irv, our buddy Irv over at the Art of Rate has done a couple of these things. He's got one of these as well. And I'm eager to see what he comes up with. But I was going to do one of the other vehicles as the Hippie Dude Hot Sauce, but I'm thinking this is more Hippie Dude Hot Sauce. Check that out. Is that not just fun? And the doors fold open here, and I think it's just two swinging doors here, but I was thinking about putting maybe a roll-up door type thing or something there, but I'm not sure yet, but I'm getting too many ideas. Yeah, here's your doors. But if you're interested in doing one of these, or if you're a content creator and doing that challenge for a signature vehicle, Wall to Wall Hobbies, he's got about 5, I think, different setups that you can do. Check that out. There's your rear doors. 5 or so different vans if you want to do that. But again, guys, it doesn't have to be a van. It could be this kind of van anyway. It could be a lot of, oh yeah, these are cool. And these are the side doors that open. Oh, that is just cool. And when Irv mentioned that there's a couple of crates in here, and look at the milk bottles. So you've got the bottles as well as the crates. I think that is so cool. Those might be full of Hippie Dude Hot Sauce. And I'm going to have to touch base with Irv and find out. I think I'm going to use some of the dollhouse type piano hinges on these. But I think that's what he was going to do, and we'll see about that. Tires and wheels. Of course, I'm probably going to rod this up and set it down on the ground a little bit. And this thing was designed also to be one of those kind of vehicles that you could stand up and drive. But I think it's got, yeah, it does. It's got one of those weird seats, just one seat, but see the way it's designed? I guess you just swivel that out of the way. Bumpers, which I'm not sure I'm going to use bumpers since we're going to do something kind of crazy with it. Steering column. This is really cool. And it even comes with the stock tires and wheels if you want to do that milk truck. There you go. You know, dressed up, these might look really, really tough on there too. I had another set of wheels in mind, but you know what, guys? These look, oops. These look pretty good. May have to rethink that. Ah, cool stuff, guys. I think that's it. Oh, there's one more piece here. And this. Oh, that's your patterns for your windows. Awesome, awesome. All right, man. Jeff thought of everything. Awesome stuff. Like I said, guys, head over to walltowallhobbies.com and or get a hold of Jeff at walltowallhobbies@gmail.com and get yourself one of these vans. I think he's also on eBay. But is that not sweet? All right, guys, that's the haul for right now. Like I said, there'll be an update on the Camaro, one last peek, kind of a peek anyway, before the reveal on Sunday the 15th. Amanda has gotten more done on her truck, but it's still, I don't want the video to be too short, but I don't want to get in too long. But she's got little bits here and there done, and it looks pretty good, pretty good. Okay, guys, hope y'all have an awesome week. God bless. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.